All right now, so we're expecting a spike right now. Okay, we are expecting a spike right now in this boom 1000. All right. Now what I do, I use the 5 minutes to catch my spike. I don't know how you guys do it using 1 minute time frame. What I do is I use 5 minutes to catch my spikes. Whether in boom 1000 or whatever, you guys can see a trade just boom and crash. The same guys. So I will teach you guys how you can take trade boom and crash successfully even without the aid of any oscillator below or inside your chart. I personally don't like all those indicators or oscillators. If I'm to make use of any, I do make use of the RSI or the stochastic oscillator because of divergence. Okay, this channel is divergence channel. So even in boom and crash, when trying to catch spikes, you can also make use of the divergence as well to catch your spikes. For example, now let's insert the RSI oscillator and let me show you something. All right. Okay. We're waiting for price to get to the support zone. All right, which is here. So once that happens, I'm gonna take a trade, and then you watch out what's gonna happen there. So for the meantime, let me show you something. Now you can see price giving us a higher high and lower low on the oscillator. What happened afterward? Price still went down. But now, since this is boom, okay, this is boom and not crash, we should be aiming to buy only. All right, because why should you be aiming to buy? Because number one, you are in total control over your money. Unlike you going against a spike, for example, you want to sell boom right now and you get a spike that is it booms upward, you are in the mercy of the market because you never can tell how large the candle or how long that candle might be. And the longer the candle, the more your money tends to finish in your account because you cannot control. And even if you have a stop loss above it, it will not respect it. So you wouldn't want to go against a spike. We only trade spike. If you're looking to sell any market, okay, go to where you have crash 1000 because what we are talking about was the boom 1000. So if you want to sell, your selling type, so you should go to crash 1000 and then look for sales there. But never should you go against a spike, be it boom or crash. All right, so to avoid blowing your account, so we go in the direction of the spike. Now you can see price is coming all the way down to the support zone. Two things are going to happen here: is either it's respecting immediately or they will go for liquidity, okay, before coming back up. But whichever the case may be, we will do what we ought to do and see what the market has for us. Just wait for price to strike on that support zone and then we are in for it. All right. Now, let's go to the 1 minute time frame and let me show you something. I'm coming back to what I'm trying to say on about the divergence. Now, see what's number two confirmation here. We have the lower low on the chart. We have the higher low on the oscillator. More confirmations that this boom 1000 will likely reverse, will likely boom from here. All right, it will likely boom from here. So let's wait and see what happens there because number one, see what happened here. The moment price got here the first time, it boomed. Price got here, it boomed. Price got here, it crashed. Now see divergence at the top of that resistance zone. Divergence works a lot, guys. I can't stress this enough. Divergence works a lot. I've been using divergence for years now, and I've not gone to any other strategy, and it has been profiting me, guys. So you can make use of the divergence alone, and you're gonna be making money. So right now we are here. Let's take right now 0.3. All right, let's buy. Okay, we're buying that trade right now, although it has not gotten to that resistance support zone yet. Okay, so to avoid uh losing out because already we have a divergence right now and our price is so close to that. Here you can choose to close manually. You can choose to close manually. You have no fear of stop loss or whatever. The market can spike downward. Yeah, this is boom 1000. The market can never spike down because this is boom 1000, all right? So you can as well put your stop loss. Yeah, or you can say after 5 candles on the 1 hour time frame, I'm closing after 10 candles. Just risk what you can afford to lose. As you can see, the market is going really slow because it is selling. But if it tends to reverse back up, it is booming. You are not in control over that. So you should not go against the spike. Trade the spikes alone, guys. Trade the spikes alone. All right. So that is it, guys. So let's go. I was trying to show you something on the divergence and why you should trade. You should as well be using divergence to trade. All right. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. See divergence here. Higher highs, lower highs on the oscillator, and what happened? Price really dropped. This boom and crash, they really respect they give respect to divergence a lot, honestly. If you trade divergence here, you're gonna make so much money. You're going to make so much money. See what happened here, guys. Even though the divergence started here, all right, we had more divergence there, like one, two divergence, then double divergence, and then what happened? Price really dropped. So see, guys, all this is just well, you shouldn't take them because you're going against the spike. You shouldn't trade divergence. All right. Now here, something like this. Let me see. There are so many things to put into consideration, but that won't be. I won't talk about that right now in this video because I just want to show you something. Okay. Now, like I said, it's like they're going for the stop hunt right now. So they have broken this candle right now. After um, this is 128. In the next 2 minutes, this present candle, because it's a 5 minutes time frame, it should be ending. So after this candle has ended, the next candle, which on the 5 minutes time frame, it must end, and then if it doesn't spike, I will close. So after this candle, the next candle. So approximately after 7 candles, all right, I'm going to close this if it doesn't spike because they might be going for a stop hunt and we don't know how far they will go for that. All right, so this is it, guys. This is it. Right now, you should pause this video, follow my channel, subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting this analysis every day, every day, every day. I can't stress this enough. I take screenshots of my successful trades every day. Let me show you something, guys. Every day I take screenshots. I take screenshots, guys. Here, you can see this was just this night. As I was talking, I told you as of when this video was made, I took this trade as of when this video was made that night. All right, see the gap, unprecedented gap, guys, and that was at the support level. I will continue making videos for you guys right now. Here, this was a spike, another spike, another spike. Have you seen, guys? Have you seen this? Another spike. So guys, see when I traded against the spike. To be honest, guys, this trade was really tough for me because I was scared at every point that the spike might occur. Can you see? Can you see, guys? So I know what I am telling you right now. I know what I am telling you. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. All right, and then see and wait for my videos every day. Now this candle has closed. This is 1:30. Now if this 5 minutes candle, if it forms and doesn't spike, I will close this trade. So we're gonna wait and see what the market has for us. Okay. All right, guys. So here we see what I told you about. Although I closed because of my system of trading, I closed immediately after the last candle, and now see what happened. They have come back to close above the support level. All right, so can you see that? Can you see that, guys? I would just don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel because I'm going to be giving you a breakdown of how I trade every day. I'm going to be doing that every day. There is still opportunity here for us to take this trade. All right, but we're not going to go be in a rush. Everything has to do with accurate timing. This is 1:37. Now in the next 3 minutes, I believe this candle will retrace, and by the time it retraces, all right, by the time it retraces, we're going to have a bounce on this support level. All right, then we take our trade upward. All right, don't be in a rush for such a thing. All right, and then you see what's going to happen right now. In the next 2 minutes, this candle will keep retracing. All right, then the next candle that's going to come up, we bounce on the support level and then fill in that week. All right, I'm going to disclose so many secrets about this to you guys. I'm going to disclose so many secrets about this to you guys. I'm sure you guys, the candlestick patterns you can bank on, just depend on them and you're good to go. The candlestick pattern you can bank on, just depend on them alone. Whether trading indices, forex, core, whatever, depend on them and you're good to go. I will expose that to you in my next video. But for now, just subscribe to my channel. All right, let's see how it goes right now. All right, guys. So right now we are having a blue here. This blue color makes every straight trader to smile. Okay, so let's see what happens here. Good, exactly, guys. Have you seen? I can't stress this enough. You have no option and you follow my channel for more. All right, exactly as I said, guys. Now watch how it happened. Now this is a candlestick I told you should be banking on. Whenever you see a hanging man, the red candle with a full body and a long wick, that is a hanging man. And wherever you see a shooting star, the long wick, the green candle with large body and a long wick upward, guys, bank on this candle. Whenever you see this, maybe this happens to be the previous candle I just finished, the next candle that is coming up, guys, will fill this week. Yes, the next one or two candles that will be appearing after every hanging man will always go down to fill that week. And the next candle that will be appearing, the next one or two candles that will be appearing after a shooting star, which happens to be this, will always go up to fill this week. And they must be filled. The next candle was always closed above where that week is. That is what happened here right now. This was a shooting star, guys. Let me zoom it. Now, this was a shooting star. All right, see the week. All right, like I told you, we shouldn't rush. That there's still an opportunity here for us to take this trade. That after every breakout, there's always a retest. If you notice, guys, price broke this support. It was a support which turned to resistance, but price still broke it. So there will be always be a retest. All right, there's always a retest. Now you'll be asking why I took my entry before where I said I was going to take it. See what happened. We went down. Let me insert the RSI and I will show you something. I trade divergence. Now let's go to 1 minute time frame. You can see that there was a divergence here. All right, and usually after every breakout or on a divergence level, there's always a retest back to that level. Mostly it's exactly at that level, and this is spike, guys. We can't catch it except you're already in the trade. So that's why I took it here. But what happened, they did a false breakout below this level with this candle, and the next candle went back up. All right, so that is it, guys. That is it. Follow my channel and I'll be giving you guys analysis like this every day. Any day I take a trade, I'll be giving you guys analysis like this every day. Now we are not done yet, guys. We aren't done yet. But for this particular example, for this particular trade, we're going to close it because we've gotten a QM pattern right now, and usually price will go down to retest this broken level before spiking back up. So we're closing this trade right now, guys. We are closing that right now with that profit. Let me tell you something, guys. Always focus in the process. The money will follow. Always focus in there's a lot of mistake you guys make. This is a mistake a lot of you guys make. You forget about the fact you're supposed to know what you're doing in the market before you invest your money, and you go into investing everything you have. At the end of the day, come out crying. All right. So guys, please focus in the process and the money will follow. Now, this candle is still a bullish momentum candle. All right. But there will always be a retest, a negative candle before price goes back up. There are so many things for you guys to learn, guys. But I will end there in this video. I've shown you what I want to show you. It's left for you to either subscribe to my channel or pass, watch and pass. If you're not doing me, you'll be doing yourself, guys. Honestly, I know what I want to give to you. Alright, guys. So, see what happened right now. I told you about the QM pattern. Alright. I told you about the QM pattern. Alright. See, price reversed, came back down, tested this, and then all the way to the moon, giving you a higher high. All these things you make using currencies, forex trading, they are all in boom and crash. It's a matter of you understanding this. All these things are here. You have to study. Honestly, you should study. Always study. All right. Now, see what happened here right now. Price came back with negative candles, and then what happened? All the way up. Now, because they respect patterns a lot, chart patterns a lot, and the chart pattern in progress right now is the channel. This price will get all the way to the resistance level before falling again and going up like that until when it finally breaks to either direction. Then you know the trend has ended. All right. So guys, follow my channel. I believe you enjoyed this video very well. I believe you really enjoyed this video because everything said was played out exactly. So I know what I'm saying. This is what I have been doing. You see this account right now. This account right now. It's always on a $3. Always on the $3. It's a challenge I gave myself. $3 to $200. All right, it's a challenge I gave myself, and as this week so far, guys, this week so far, last week, I have made $50. $3, $3. Whenever I make, I transfer to my client office. Whenever I make, I transfer to my client office. So that I cannot stress this enough. I know what I am telling you. Majority of you watching this video can't trade $3 on indices. You can't do that, but I am doing it. All right. I am doing it, and I've done it over and over. I've grown this account over and over. You can see it last week. You can see that last week I have made profit of $50 plus. All right, and I've made a withdrawal of $73, guys. Have you seen that? I cannot stress this enough, guys. Follow my channel. I will give you okay, cool. I have not finished saying what I want to say. What has happened here? Price has gone to the resistance. That is where to reverse. Price is definitely going to reverse all the way down. From here, you can sell. Just continue taking it that way. It goes up, you sell, it comes down, you buy, but do not sell. This is boom. All right. Imagine selling and you're having this kind of move against you. Your account is gone. All right. So understand these terms and you're good to go. You are good to go. So thank you very much, guys, for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please do subscribe, share this video, because I know there's someone out there who really needs this knowledge you just acquired right now. And then I'll be showing up every day. Any day I trade, you will see a video uploaded for you guys with analysis. So thank you very much for your time. I wish you success with